Celestia Engine Dawnfall redefines next-gen action with a fluid combat system that adapts to player style through smart AI partners. Graphics push realism with volumetric lighting and real-time weather that reacts to magic, outperforming the last installment. User experience shines via streamlined menus, instant load times, and a contextual HUD that vanishes during stealth for immersion. A standout feature is a memory shard mechanic that reshapes maps mid-mission and cross-gen co-op that stays synchronized. In comparisons with Horizon and earlier Celestia titles, Dawnfall clearly leaps forward while honoring the core feel.